Top 5 vegetables that heal damaged nerves. Nerve damage can affect quality of life, but certain vegetables can help repair and regenerate damaged nerves. Incorporating these vegetables into your diet can provide essential nutrients that support nerve health. Looking for fast, natural relief from nerve discomfort? Discover the solution trusted by thousands. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are the top 5 vegetables that heal damaged nerves. 1. Spinach. Spinach is rich in magnesium, folate, and antioxidants like vitamin C and D, which help reduce oxidative stress and promote nerve regeneration. Magnesium is essential for proper nerve conduction and muscle function. 2. Carrots. Packed with beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, carrots help protect neurons from damage. They also contain vitamin B6, crucial for maintaining the myelin sheath that surrounds nerves and ensures proper signal transmission. 3. Beets. Beets are high in nitrates, which improve blood circulation, ensuring that nerve tissues receive adequate oxygen and nutrients. They also contain betaine, an anti-inflammatory compound that helps reduce nerve inflammation. 4. Broccoli. Broccoli contains sulforaphane, a powerful antioxidant that protects nerve cells from oxidative damage. It also supports the body's natural detoxification processes, aiding in nerve repair and overall health. 5. Sweet potatoes. Rich in beta-carotene and antioxidants, sweet potatoes help reduce oxidative stress and protect nerve cells. Their high fiber content also ensures steady energy release, which is essential for nerve function. Including these top 5 vegetables in your diet can promote nerve healing and reduce further damage. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods like spinach, carrots, beets, broccoli, and sweet potatoes, you can support nerve regeneration and improve overall health. Struggling with nerve discomfort that just won't go away? Looking for fast, natural relief from nerve discomfort? Discover the solution trusted by thousands. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.